Welcome again to another installation, guys. Today I'm doing the auto folding mirror. As you can see, I already tore down the mirror, deep pinned the connector, took out the glass itself and all of that stuff. So all is left to do is install this. This is the motor right here. So I'm gonna remove this dummy one, put this one in here. Alright guys, so next you want to do is change this switch. This one. Do that, just 2 screws. I think this is the easiest part of the install. Then you want to retain the silver. I think you just lift this off like that. And just fit this one over here. That. This is the wiring with the motor. So we're gonna do that part next. This one comes in here. This one comes over here. There. I'm gonna have to do some wire controls. And then find a place to put this. Alright guys, so I figured out how to do my wire management. This is kind of sloppy right here, but it is what it is for now. I might fix it a little bit later. So I just tap into that wire right there. And then I did my wires up here. So now I just have to hit the button. And it works. Alright. So all I have to do right now is get the wire over to the passenger side, which is gonna be a little bit more tricky. So guys, yeah, I did my wire management. And is just to get it to the next side right now and finish up this whole install. Right now I'm just gonna put the door cover back on because this side is done. It's a go. And I just need to get the wire. I'm gonna use the same connectors that came with the car because they have empty slots in there. So I'm just gonna run my wire to that and to the one on the inside and take it across and then do the same wiring like I did here. Alright. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of this video, so I'm gonna cut it right here and thank you for watching. So I will show you the end product when I put this back on. That's locked, unlocked. It's pretty cool. I like it. All right. I did, so when you're wiring this thing, if you wire it backwards, then that when you close the door, the mirror will open. And when you open the door, the mirror will close. So make sure you don't wire it backwards. And if it does come wired backwards, all you got to do is switch around the wiring. So for me, the white goes to the blue and the gray goes to the green. So all I'm gonna do right now is take it back out of here, plug it back into my connector. So white goes to blue, which is right here. Yep, the gray goes to the green. Plug that back right there. Then let's plug this back in here. Cool. All right, guys. So finished and put everything back together. So now, there you go. And then you unlock. All right, guys, so that's it for this install. And it's pretty tedious to do it, so if you don't trust yourself, I would say take it to a professional for them to install it. So until the next video.